Hey guys, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I've got a really cool truck for you. It's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado with a Whipple Supercharger mounted to a 5.3 liter V8. It's also got long tube headers, custom mid-pipe with cutouts on it, and it's still running the factory catback exhaust, which is really nice because it's not overly loud, but still has a really good sound to it. This truck also has a BTR Stage 2 camshaft, which sounds fantastic. Excuse me. As you can see, you also have this black graphic that runs down the side. Definitely lets you know that this is a sport truck and definitely has something very unique about it. Overall, the truck's in great condition. This is red hot paint, or as like we like to call it here at the dealership, pull me over red, which is kind of a funny little name for bright red vehicles like this. The grille is all paint matched. Your bumper is paint matched. You got the LED headlights, LED fog lights on this truck. The paint is beautiful on this truck, guys. This is a 26,000 original mile truck, and it looks like a truck with 5,000 miles on it. It's very, very clean, very nice. You got paint protection film up here on the front half of the fender, front of the hood, and the grille, and the front bumper here, so it protects against any kind of little stone chips or rock chips. So that is really nice, especially with a truck this nice. You've got a 20-inch factory Chevrolet wheel that looks really nice on it. This truck is also four-wheel drive, which is really cool. So if you want to do any dig races from light to light, messing with some other guys, put this bad boy in four-wheel drive high and take off. And you're going to get all the traction you need. The glass on the truck is in excellent condition. The windows are tinted somewhere around like a 15%. You've got paint matched mirrors on the truck as well. This truck does have a clean Carfax as well, which is really nice. I believe it's a 2-owner if I remember correctly. The door is in excellent condition as well. Open and closes just fine. You do have the chrome Silverado badging here as well, and you also have the door trim here to protect, door dings and stuff like that. The cab of the truck's in excellent condition, looks really, really nice. As we look at the bed of the truck, it looks really nice as well. Like I said, you do have this graphic that runs down the side. It kind of reminds me of like the Yanko style graphics, which is really, really nice. You've got the 20-inch wheel out back here with a 275 wide tire. Tires are really nice. They're Michelin tires in really good condition. The bed is really clean. You do have a tonneau cover on the truck as well. Your rear glass is tinted out. That looks, like I said, about a 15% window tint, which is really nice. Make sure I'm not missing anything here as we move the truck around. As we get to the back side of the truck here, the tailgate's in excellent condition. You've got the stock style tail lights, which are like brand new, essentially. You do have the blacked out badging here on the back of the truck as well that looks really nice. You do have a backup camera here in the rear tailgate handle. You've got the paint matched rear bumper, and then you've got the Z71 logo here on the back, which is really, really cool. We'll open up the tailgate here, which is an easy open tailgate. Back of the bed looks super clean. You've got this nice rubber mat back here, which is really good. You can lift that up. You can tell the truck was never used for any work or anything, just a little dirty under there. But overall, a very, very nice 2017 Silverado with a couple of goodies up in the engine bay. With that being said, let's wrap this up and let's work our way back up to the engine bay so I can show you that bad to the bone 5.3. All right, guys, check out this super clean engine bay. This is definitely one that you would not be scared to pop the hood at like a cruise-in or a car show or just showing off to your buddies. When you first pop the hood, the first thing you see is that giant Whipple Supercharger right there. Very, very nice. You also have the long tube headers, like I mentioned, too, on this, which really helps with the sound and performance. This vehicle's been completely looked over by our master technician. Everything's been checked on it. The tune's fantastic on it. The heat exchanger and everything's working good for it. Supercharger is very nice, makes an awesome winding sound when you're getting on it. But overall, the engine bay is very clean, very nice. You got power brakes, all the stuff that it came with from the factory, minus the upgraded camshaft from BTR and the Whipple Supercharger, which the Supercharger alone is about a $7,000 kit, which is not cheap, but it definitely adds some good horsepower to this Z71 and definitely makes it perform a lot better. But guys, let's wrap this up and let's go to the interior. All right, guys, check out this awesome interior. As you can see, red exterior with the red interior. These are Katzkin leather covers that go over the factory seats, which is really nice. They look really good. They look just like the factory seat skins, but done in the red leather. And you also have it matching the center console. You also have some really nice red anodized knobs here for your AC controls, your radio controls, as well as your light and four-wheel drive controls over here. You've got the red Chevrolet bow tie here on the steering wheel, so it all ties into the red of the exterior of the truck and just looks great on the interior with all the black carpet and black dash. It definitely ties in very nicely and gives it a very sporty look. So in this truck, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, manual on the passenger side. You've got the upgraded head unit here, which is really nice versus the little small one that came in on the cheaper version of the trucks. So you've got the larger screen there, which is really good when you're driving. You've also got some extra settings here for your like traction control, your bed light in the back, your parking sensors, and your downhill assist. You got plenty of storage here in the center console. We do have a spare key for the truck, so you get 2 keys. If you got a third passenger, you can fold this up and they can fit right here, which is very, very nice. I believe you do have some extra storage here as well to keep other stuff, as well as plenty of storage in the doors over there. But overall, the interior is really nice on this truck, but really what makes this one shine is how it drives. So what do you say we get to my favorite part, and let's go take this one for a cruise. All right, guys, we're out in the 2017 Silverado taking this bad boy for a drive. And so far, I'm very impressed with this thing. You can definitely tell it's got good power with that Whipple Supercharger and that VTR camshaft that it has in it. The way it drives, I mean, it drives like a new truck, guys. I mean, with 26,000 original miles on here, that's what you expect. You expect it to drive good. I mean, it literally tracks straight down the road. Everything in the cab is like new. You've got these red, like anodized control knobs here that kind of tie in with the red on the exterior of the truck. All the gauges are working. I love this center console for the storage, but also for the comfort. You can put your elbow on here and you can just cruise really nicely. This is a really nice truck, guys. For the money, you cannot beat this. I mean, OBS trucks are going, you know, LS swapped OBS trucks are going from anywhere between $30,000 and $45,000 depending on condition and mileage. This thing right here, you get a new truck with a supercharged 5.3 LT motor. I mean, you just can't beat that, guys, with the 6-speed automatic transmission. And this thing just cruising around drives like a normal truck, but when you want, you hit that tow haul button and just lay down in the gas. And you just scoot on down the road, guys. Some really good smooth acceleration. This thing is actually pretty quick, especially to be a big truck like this. It gets down the road very nicely. Guys, if you're interested in this 2017 Silverado, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Justin, my partner, or me, Chris, and we can help you with financing, shipping, everything you need to get this truck parked in your driveway. But guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. We'll catch you next time.